appreciate the LASMA people. That they do a very good work for Lagos here on our road.
Yeah.
You see, many a time when we dey go for emergency, you know there are some times that are peak period when people don't close from work or early morning when they go work. Before you go see say a road that is just about 2 lane, you see them take and form about 5 or 6. And when they form like that, any vehicle we won't pass that time, like emergency vehicle, we be saying a big vehicle, it go dey hard for you to maneuver your way because now only 2 lane, they don't take and be 6 or 5. So, and when they go fight fire, people where they for the other end go they think say they call them, they no quick come. They no go no say now we save the cost. This kind of problem.
I dey talk this one. I don't talk am with your spokesman 100 times. Maybe una, I don't know whether una dey get meeting with the agencies that will get permission to use siren. Because if una get that meeting, because you get when we don't come out, go follow people then talk, and we ask them, what thing will make you hear siren and not come out for road? They go tell you say, if you be saying I one house girl, they carry one go chop food somewhere, or they carry and go market. Because when you peep into the police motor, if it be just one person, and at times they follow one way and all that. So the understanding be most times when they hear that sound, except maybe when they see the what thing they call that motor now? Una motor where the truck, the fire vehicle. When they see them, na fire, then go come off for road and all that. But if na normal siren, if you never see them, the mentality now where you the rush go calm down, Joe, you don't, and even ambulance, they not go come out.
They go want people.
When
they see whether person dey inside.
True or not. And they don't say the ambulance if won't go pick person, come for operation or for test.
Even if they see person where they sit down, they go say unless that person lie down.
So what thing that they do to fit help Lagosians them still get the mind, except maybe if they see fire truck, they know it's okay. Na fire brigade that they won't go.
This kind of work is everybody's work because now we don't dey stereotyped.
People don't get them for mind.
Yes, you don't mind them. They know they go anywhere. So don't mind them. So the thing we feel be say now all of us will do, especially this kind of work we they do. Now be say good. People they listen to our radio very well. They listen very well.
So the work the day easy now.
Yes, the day easy for us. So and you go begin to help us also to begin to tell them. They tell them. So we also they tell them.
Okay.
Different methods, different ways.
Okay then. Well, don't forget in case you just tune in. Lunchtime work on Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM, and we'll be telling us say one loaded tanker be get a brake failure for that along show go inward they look meju for Agege Motor Road, and as it take be now with the wait make people then we suppose quench every matter for there. Talking about the emergency units, them join with fire service and everybody they're on ground already. Once they finish that one, we go let you know. But from waiting Kestab, you don't let us sabi already. They're very simple. In case you don't get anything to do for that side, just use alternative. But if you don't get choice but to do that side, well, enough so again say that will start counter flow any moment from now for those where they enter Mushin, then later, because now only one side, both of them go fit they use more like one way for other side, and una go dey wait make the other side pass before una go fit pass. And those areas then where this one go dey affect any moment from now already, those where they come from Palm Avenue, Ilukpeju bypass and Ojuwoye, inward along Shogo. Now so una go down they feel that traffic any moment from now. But the good thing be say the emergency units they do on point already, they don't activate them. LASMA guys are all over that side. Any moment from now, once they don't feel finish the real work for there, they go feel open that side again. Make you no fear at all. Okay, so Ogami, before we go for a chicken break and open the phone lines, make we can look. Most times on top of this program, for over the 2 years, calls where people they always bring in, and where your men they always fit, answer them and all that. At least maybe if they come from you as a director of Lagos State Fire Service, you go feel help people their mind. All those water hydrants, right? Where they water they really jam, because some people they feel like now decoration. Maybe they never see them activate them. And how long the thing they stay before una go come refill them, or it just be there permanently?
I want our government, His Excellency Governor Akinwumi Ambode, for the great work they do for emergency parents. You see, this hydrant before now underground, then they. Underground where then they before, our people go come, they go build house
on
top of the hydrant.
Wow.
Some go come, they go construct shop in front of their house, cover the hydrant there. Some will come, they will come begin to dig road As they dig road, they go comot this thing, exhaust it, exhume it. So now are we dey give problem to ourselves? Now in government come look and come say, okay, let us bring this thing above the ground level. We can be pillar type hydrant. Today, this hydrant full everywhere now. But the thing wey there be say, the fire service now they operate this hydrant. They operate am in the way that when fire occur, we go there, go lift water. But not be fire service dey power am.
Okay.
Now water corporation.
Lagos State Water Corporation.
Yeah, now dey power am. Okay. So anywhere where we go and we get a section where we say na hydrant and equipment, then they go out every day to go and inspect all these hydrants to see the one wey get pressure. Anyone wey no get pressure, they go document am. So, and they go give operational people. So that if there's a outbreak of fire, you just go straight to
that place,
the nearest one.
Just fix your
fix the hose there
and
you get water from it.
Okay.
So, but anyone we get problem with the report to water corporation.
So everywhere for Lagos where we get that water hydrant, all of them they work.
They work.
Wow.
But not be only they work. This one now our property.
Okay.
Government don't do am. Government don't do im own. No complain government again. Because you see, when you dey fight fire, we say we know they happy. You dey fight fire, as you come begin the fight fire, the water dey finish. And instead of you getting the water nearby, that's why the government did it. You come travel far distance because of what? They don't damage the hydrant. The hydrant, sometimes people they call me, then they open up, they take and do domestic use. They go open up, they get water from there. It dey wrong. It no dey for domestic use. It dey now emergency hydrant. Now it's in there for.
Okay, so now it gets number where una feel maybe as people then they listen, they see somebody they tamper with them, they feel call apart from the normal emergency numbers.
That one said na emergency.
Oh, na emergency.
Na emergency. Because when we don't inspect am, and we think say e get pressure, the thing dey okay, and somebody go there go damage am.
And una come empty handed.
And one fight fire for that area.
With that one.
We know when we open and no water no come again.
So people feel call emergency number.
They call emergency number to report
the
that
same
person.
the same.
Na emergency.
767.
Yes.
Or 112.
Or 112. Because it leads to emergency, and it can lead to a serious problem.
Wow.
Yes, because that hydrant is also a fire vehicle there.
Wow.
Because it's to protect the people in that community.
Okay, before we go for this quick break, Ogami, make we look new fire stations because I know how many times people will call in. I just they try to take the questions that way people they always talk about, you know, since when we don't start this program on Lagos Traffic Radio talking about fire service calling. And we they say una stations them we hear say new ones them they come out, and one person here say 1972 Lagos State Fire Service we don't start. And we just they get all these new stations them to serve all the inner side. And you can be like, what thing fire service did they do before?
Governments they do it in own. Fire station, any fire station that is closer to the people will enhance operational efficiency.
Will make a day easy.
Yes. So when there's an outbreak of fire within that locality, you don't need to come or travel from a far distance
to
respond to emergency there. Now, you see, the government they try, not be only fire the government go they spend money for.
True.
There are other areas. Yeah, so where the government go they spend money for. But the one where government they give us, which kind of help will they do to protect them, to maintain it. And apart from that, this government where they on ground now,
Akinwumi
Ambode, the governor, in they ready to establish more fire stations.
How many you don't get now?
We don't get 16.
Before he enter, how many day?
Before he enter, na 13.
Oh, okay. So don't build 3 more. Okay.
And we don't get approval.
In 3 years, more like one per year.
We don't even get approval for another 3.
Wow.
One will come for Epe in the radio area. One for Ikorodu, Ijede area. And another one for Oloruda in Badagry area, close to Mowo. So, but the problem with there be say our people no want surrender land. Government we won't be fast station no go because it won't give people that facility come begin they drive people away from their house, from their land. Government no go force them to do that. No, this government where they today now government we get human feelings. So we say make we come together community. If na buy land, give government say make you come establish fire station there. if we have land,
Una dey
surrender
open to such.
very well. Surrender part of the land for development, for protection of your fellow human beings in that area. So that's the area which we need to do.
Okay, we go for this quick break, ladies and gentlemen. Lunchtime waka, Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM. Don't forget, as we don't take left to no say road, they take look. We get them good this afternoon, except for that alone show go inward. They look you for Agege Motor Road. We tell them I say one tanker where they loaded, if we get brake failure, and you know what if it happen for that side. So as it take me now, emergency waka, they don't activate them for there. So you get counter flow if you try enter Mushin this afternoon. Traffic go day because road maybe say now maybe 3 lanes or 4 lanes, you can't become for 1 or 2 because your brothers the way they come out too from that side go need user. So we go to face that traffic now. If they come from Palm Avenue, you look where you bypass and Ojuwoye inward Olorun Shogo. And so that one take be this afternoon. I still wait for Glassmark Kester to feed me in on the latest from that side. We go for this quick break. When we come back, guys, then I go open the phone lines and I go follow Oga Razak Fadikpe in the director, Lagos State Fire Service. Are they coming?